Hello, my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel, Amanda's Crafty Corner. This will be my second video of the night. I might have one more. It just depends on how the weather holds out. I was recording earlier, and all of a sudden, a huge thing of thunder hit, and I lost power for a couple seconds. So that is why this last one here is out of its bag. Um, So this unboxing is from Paintsomeway. They are having a sale. If you, oh my goodness, I forgot the sale. Ah, sorry, give me 1 second. They are having free shipping over X amount of dollars, and I believe if you buy so many products, they will give you one for free. I'm sorry, my brain is completely kapoots because of that. Um, sorry, and my chair is moving. So this is just not my day, apparently. I do have one diamond painting. It was my surprise one. I will show it to you last because I know some people don't like diamond paintings. So let's get this show on the road. I have two that are from the same, not brand, but they are the same brand, the no-name brand as the Keeper of the Moon River. So this whole collection. So I have two more of those. And then I have this one from DIY Cross Stitch. I know there are some people who don't like DIY just because they don't give enough colors. Um, they really don't give much at all, but I liked this design. It's for my partner's garage whenever we move out of my parents' house. It's a pinup girl. It says Grease Lightning. I thought it was funny and cute. He loves to work on cars. Let's get into, so this is the only page I got. This is it. I don't have any instructions. I don't know why they don't give instructions, especially if you are new to cross stitch. It has 22 colors. Here is the design. There is confetti, as you can tell, everywhere. It is a 30 by 45 centimeters, 86 by 151 stitches. Again, here it is. I hope this is clear enough. I will do that last. It did come with two needles, but I put them away again when I was recording the first time, and then the power went out. So here is, as I put it upside down, the canvas. It is not etched. I don't understand why they don't. Maybe I'll complain to them because this is ridiculous. I do have other designs from them. I haven't really opened yet. But yeah, there's no etching. It's nice and big on three of the sides. You can clearly see the girl here, the background. You can see the words, Grease Lightning. Again, it's only 22 colors. I will show you these colors. It's like a rusticy looking palette. I do like the palette, don't get me wrong. But like most people, I kind of wish there were more colors and that it was etched. So that's 1 to 16 and then 17 to 22. Just put that there for now. Here is this one. It is the Keeper of this oh my goodness, the Keeper of Spirits. Another gorgeous lady. I will take it out of the bag just to show you. Oh my goodness. It does come with a toolkit. It actually came with 6 needles, a needle threader, your pom-pom that's in here, and a thimble. I'm going to have so many of these by the time that I'm done. Just going to stick that there. Here she is. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my goodness. Absolutely love her. To be honest, she kind of reminds me, I don't know, as you can tell, I'm wearing a World of Warcraft shirt. If anybody's played World of Warcraft, it reminds me of the Night Elves. Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. This is an 11 count, as is the DIY one. I forgot to mention that. This is a 40 by 56 centimeters. 148 by 217 stitches. It has. So the ink didn't dry, but um, luckily it did not spoil over here. Just the instructions. So they always come with the instructions, especially if you're new to cross stitch. How many threads you need to use, how to wash, if you have any other types of stitching. And yeah, here she is. She has 36 colors. She is going to be gorgeous, my friends. Oh my goodness. For me, I'm going to do the middle first, the writing, the Keeper of Spirits, and then I will do the giant background. Why? Because the colors of the backgrounds are not black. They are not. I will show you. I will show you after I show you. Yeah, I'm going to show you the colors now, and then I will look at the canvas. Why? Because these colors are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Like, this is the color of the background. How can you say no? And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 skids of it. Oh my goodness. So pretty. And this one has a lot of purples and burgundies, reds, light pinks. Oh my goodness. How can you? Oh my. Just oh my. So this one is 1 to 18. 1 second. 1 to 18. Again, sorry about the watch. 1 to 18. Gorgeous, gorgeous. With little bits of black. And then 19 to 36. Please pray that my power doesn't go out again. Oops, sorry. And I'm just going to put that there. And here is the beautiful Ada that I have upside down. So it goes this way. The Ada is a little bit tough, so I will just smush, smush, smush. Does it have a lot of confetti? It does have a fair bit of confetti, which is good because that means we will get more dimension, more, again, words are really hard for me right now. It will just look gorgeous. That's all I'm going to say. It is going to look gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's etched all around, which is why I love this brand. I love this brand because it's got so many choices. Please, please, please check out Paintsomeway. They are amazing. Customer service is on point. Thank you to whoever emailed me back. Your email just made my day and it made me laugh. Don't know if you remember, I had all those poles, which was supposed to be a frame. Well, it was missing a couple pieces, so I sent a picture to Paintsomeway's customer service, and they got back to me 12 hours later just because of the time difference, but they're sending me out a new one, and then I will show you the frame. So this is the Keeper of Spirits, and I will grab the other one. I'm just going to put this. Whoop! Let's not throw stuff all over the place. I'm just going to put that here. Oh, wait. I put things in the wrong bags because that is what I do. Bags and I don't go together, especially the crinkly bags. So I'm sorry if it is crinkling all in your ear, but I want at least the threads to go back in the bag. I will post up once again all the links to each individual cross stitch just so that you guys can take a look. Here is the last one. This one is, I believe it is, yes, I'm just going to put that there. Sorry. The Keeper of the Constellations. So once again, we have 5 needles, five needles, the pom-pom, the thimble, yep, and it's got 2 birds on it. Let's take a look. This is another 11 count. Look at how pretty she is. So pretty. Like, oh my goodness. It is so pretty. It has the instructions. Again, for anybody that's new to cross stitch, like me, I won't lie, I'm new. I just started this year. It is a 40 by 56. It has 148 by 217 stitches. It has 44 colors. That's a lot of colors, and I love it. Here, let me fold it like this. Again, the background is not black. They have very soft backgrounds. Or dark. I will see when I open it. So again, it does have confetti, but I like it. It does have some block stitching. It has the words Keeper of the Constellations on there. Let's take a look at the Ada. And then I will show you the colors. Yes, I'm doing the opposite of the last one. This way. So it, like the other one, it is etched all the way around. It's got nice and big on all sides actually, except, here, but that's okay. Yep, it's got, you can clearly see the pattern. You may not really be able to see the girl. I know her head is there, the moon is there. I'm just trying to make it so that you can see here. Let's do it like this. Head and moon. And then the bottom with the words. It is so pretty. Again, it's a little bit of a tougher, so I would just smush it. Smush, smush, smush. Looks like my power wants to go off, so hopefully I can get the diamond painting done and out of the way as well. But let's take a look at these gorgeous colors. Again, see, 1, 2, 3, 4 skids of this color. They mostly have the same palette. The reds, the pinks, the purples. I absolutely love it. Oh, look, it's almost the color of my hair. So let's do this. So here is 1 to 18, 1 to 18, and then 19 to 36. So where is it? 24, which is this color, is the background. So yes, I'm going to be that crazy lady, and I am going to stitch the entire background. That there. And here is 37 to 44. It is gorgeous. Completely gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. Thank you, Paintsomeway. Thank you again. Now I will get to my surprise diamond painting because that's what I chose. Just going to put all of these on another bag for now. I don't actually know what this design is. It's a surprise. Again, me and bags don't really go together. So what did they send me? I'm not 100% sure. I think it is just, it says Union. LF or something Union. Not 100% sure. Will I do it? I don't know. Maybe. It was free. So it's only got 14 colors. To be honest, I'm tired of white backgrounds. And it is square just because the last diamond painting that I did, I will not lie to you, had almost 53,000 white diamonds. Yes, you heard me right. 53,000 of the 5,200 diamonds. Why? Because it was a design that I did for my work. Here is the toolkit. It has the pen, the wax, and the tray. I have so many of these trays now, it's not even funny. Here are the colors. Like I said, it is only 14 colors, square diamonds, so it's got pinks and yellows and reds to go with this design. Okay, let's take a look. It is very soft. Like I said, I don't like how soft these ones are. I find the softer the material, the more that the diamonds kind of slip. The glue is good, but I just don't. Give me a little bit of a tougher canvas. That's just me. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm losing it. But anyways, with this thunderstorm that has now come my way, I hope everybody has a good night. Please like and comment which of the cross stitches you liked, if you want to see more, and have a good night, my lovelies.